YouTube channel. So today, obviously by the title, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Dyson Air Wrap. I actually got the Dyson Air Wrap for Christmas from my lovely girlfriend's mom, and I was very taken back when I got it because I didn't actually know how much it cost. I just follow a few influencers that have it, so I did not know how big of a deal it was or why. And actually, to be honest, I thought it was made or just meant for only white people or people with like thinner, more fine hair. Also, sorry about the heater. It's winter time in New York City. It is an old building. The heater is obnoxious, I know. But yeah, I honestly did not think that this was meant for hair like mine until I opened it on Christmas, and I was kind of like, wait, is this even like, can I even use this? And then I started watching YouTube videos and I saw that it actually is for everybody. Yeah, I'm finally getting around, now that it's the end of January, to actually trying it out for the first time, and that is because I've actually been working on loving my natural hair, and I went on vacation and I wore it for like a whole month straight without putting any heat on it, which was amazing. So I'm really just trying to embrace the curls recently. If you aren't sure about the Dyson Air Wrap or why it's so hyped up right now, it is supposed to style your hair with air instead of heat, which makes it so much less damaging, which is really good because my hair is very fried, and I actually washed my hair last night, so it looks really dry right now. I meant to film my reaction of opening the box, but I just forgot and I didn't know it would be so pretty. But before I take anything out, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like right when you open it up, because it is gorgeous. I did actually receive the Dyson Air Wrap complete, so it comes with like all the different styling tools, but I believe the one I'm going to be using today is, I guess it says for curly hair, it's recommended to use the firm smoothing brush, so I was about to use the soft one. So we're gonna go ahead and try this. I'm excited, but kind of like nervous. I don't know why. So the girl I watched put it on the highest heat setting and the highest fan setting. Okay, it works. It works. Alright, so first I'm gonna just take some of my hair out. I'm still gonna use heat protectant, put the rest up in a bun. I have a few different heat protectants, but I'm just going to use this Chi one today. I have the kind of hair that like I will brush it and then I blink and I don't move, and I can't run my hands through it right after. It's like almost straight. I wish it wasn't so loud. I'm like making everything on my desk just like fly everywhere. But yeah, that does a really, really good job, I have to say. Like this is like literally almost straight. I could literally do my whole hair like this. It'll be like frizzy, but then just go with the straightener just like quickly and voila. I'm gonna go ahead and do some more of my hair, and I can show you guys more of the progress and how I feel about it. Okay, I am finished with this side of the hair. This is the difference. It almost looks completely straight. Like I like it. I think it'll cut my like hair time down when I do want to wear my hair straight, because I literally basically just brushed through my hair like section by section, and then now all I have to do is take the straightener and go through it a few times. Probably don't even need to section it off, and it's gonna be amazing. But I do really like it. My first initial thoughts is it's really loud. I wish it wasn't so loud. I feel like my neighbor probably thinks I'm like vacuuming right now. That's what it sounds like to me. My hair feels way softer, and I noticed when I did my bangs are like the most damaged part of my hair. I think it's just because like it's the front pieces, you want it to look crisp and nice, so I straighten them probably more than the rest of my hair. And I noticed right away when I did do this part with the Dyson, it feels smoother and it didn't feel like my hair is burning. I think I'm gonna take one of the curling attachments and curl this half of my hair just to see like, you know, a good comparison, see how it turns out. I'm kind of excited because the curling barrels are the ones that just like zoop and they like attach to the thing, and I am excited to mess around with it and try it. I'm gonna first grab just one little piece or so. Is that too big? That's a good size. Sure, but I also don't curl my hair normally, so I kind of just like don't even know what I'm doing. I think also girls like will curl and then like pin it, you know, and hold it there for a second, so maybe that's also a problem. Feel about this. I don't really know, but I'm gonna keep going. Okay, the curl thing was just not working out for me at all. I think my hair has to be like either completely straightened first or I don't know, but that's something for another day. I'm gonna actually continue and kind of do this side with the smoothening tool, and then I probably just go ahead and straighten it completely, which should not take that long because it's so nicely like blown out now. Finished look. It looks so good. I actually ended up curling my hair with a straightener because I need to just play around with the Air Wrap more because I don't really understand how to do the curls properly. I really do think this is a great investment because just using the brush tool, my hair felt so much healthier after doing it than obviously with the straightener. And also it just for people who like have like hair like mine, I don't usually use a tool like this before. I usually just like go in and straighten my hair after I wash it, but that literally cut the time in half. I mean, this video took me all day just because I'm filming and I had to make dinner and whatever. I love how my hair looks right now. I mean, the curls obviously are from the Air Wrap, but if I figure out how to do that, I will make another video. But I'm sure there's a lot of people out there who know how to do it and who have curling tips that you can watch, but this was just my initial review and unboxing, and I definitely think it's worth the money. If you are thinking about buying it, I do think it's worth the hype. I've seen a lot of other people agree, but do research, make sure you're getting it for the right reasons, for your hair and whatever you plan to do with it on a daily basis, because that should be like the ultimate backing of your decision. I really did enjoy this just for it being my first time, and I will be practicing with it more and learning more about it because I still feel a little bit iffy on like what I'm supposed to be doing with it. But the hair tool for sure that I was using helped immensely. Like it almost completely straightened my hair, and then I literally just went with the straightener and it was done, because it's just a lot less time consuming, because with the straightener you have to do every tiny section to really get it crisp, but this worked really well and I am very impressed with that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions that I didn't answer in the video because I was still figuring it out myself, and I feel like most people who go and buy the Dyson Air Wrap have done a ton of research and know what they're looking for and what they want to do with their hair, but for me, I didn't really know much about it going into this besides the kind of tools that came with it, but I was really just going with the flow in this video. I don't have a ton of information to give. I'm not a beauty guru by any means, but if you do have any questions, I can try to answer any in the comments. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.